Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the Y-Plank LCD screen of iPhone 6s. I have fixed screens of so many iPhones and tried screens supplied by different suppliers. And I found that Y-Plank LCD screens are the best screens that I have ever used. You won't believe that the build quality of this screen is better than Apple supplied original screen. On Amazon, I am paying around $35 for each screen. In the video description, you can find Amazon link of this LCD screen. And if you want to know how to replace LCD screen of iPhone 6s, go to the link given at the top right corner. Packaging is very sturdy as it comes with lot many things. This is an international warranty card. Of course you don't need it as product is well tested and it is the best in the quality. This is a magnetic screw pad. This is one of the best parts of Y-Plank screens. It has marks for each and every metallic plate and screws. iPhone screws are of different sizes. This mat has magnet in it and it helps me to keep the screws at right place so that I don't need to remember screw location while putting them back. Next comes a manual. This manual has detailed steps needed for replacing the broken or damaged screen. If you have this manual, you don't need any video tutorials for replacing the screen. This is a glue tape. You can see black colored tape around this film. I think this tape is used for making phone waterproof. Next comes the tempered glass. This is a good quality glass made protective screen. Nothing so special about it. Let me keep it aside. Next comes the replacement toolbox. Replacement toolbox contains all the tools like screwdrivers, spuzzer tool, tweezers, SIM card ejector, suction cup and many other tools. The screwdrivers supplied with this box are not very good, but they do the job and they are more than sufficient for screen replacement. This plastic piece is used for separating LCD screen from the phone body. Now comes the best quality replacement screen. It is heavy and sturdy component. Build quality is so strong that I found it stronger than iPhone's original assembly. Apart from excellent quality, this screen also comes with already fixed components like earphone housing, proximity sensor holder, and glue for camera cable. In common screens, you don't get these additional components, and these components are taken from the original screen. And we are done here. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon present next to the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.